Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to take good photos with iPhone for beginners. Taking good photos with an iPhone is easy with a few basic tips. Here's how you can get started. First method, wipe your camera lens with a soft, lint-free cloth to ensure there are no smudges or dirt. Another method, enable the grid in your camera settings to help with composition. Go to the Settings, Camera, Grid, and toggle it on. Next method, on your camera, tap on the screen where you want to focus. This will also adjust the exposure for the area. Swipe up or down on the screen to manually adjust the exposure for better lighting. Another method, hold your iPhone with both hands and keep your elbows close to your body for stability. Consider using a tripod for steadier shots, especially in a low light. Another method, take advantage of natural light whenever possible. Position your subject so that they are well lit from the front or side. Avoid harsh midday sunlight, which can create strong shadows and highlights. Next method, digital zoom, can reduce image quality. Instead, move closer to your subject or use the optical zoom if you have an iPhone with multiple lenses. Another method, experiment with different angles and perspectives. Get low shot from above, or try different sides of your subject. Another method, for photos or people or objects, use portrait mode to create nice depth of field effect. This mode blurs the background, making your subject stand out. Last method, use the built-in editing tools and the Photos app. Adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings to enhance your photos. By following these tips, you'll be able to capture great photos with your iPhone, even as a beginner. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.